And a lot of times we have a microwave mindset instead of a, like an oven mindset. Uh, so when I say that, that means like the microwave is it's like cooked fast. It's something that's done fast. It's very easy. It's not hard to work for, and you get it easy. In the oven mindset, you have to preheat it. You have to wait. You have to wait. You have to wait. You have to wait, and then you put the food in. You have to wait. You have to wait. You have to let it cook, and then when it comes out, that's your success right there. And we have to have that mindset of the oven mindset rather than the microwave mindset, because social media has brainwashed us to think that everybody is successful. Everybody is living lavish lifestyles.